Hello learners! It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about the magnetic forces of a bar magnet. Can anyone tell me what are the different parts of a bar magnet?
A bar magnet has a north pole and a south pole.
That's right. However, let's not forget that a bar magnet also has a middle section too. Do you think that all parts of the bar magnet have the same amount of magnetic force? Well,
Let's find out.
For this experiment, you will need a bar magnet with its north and south poles labeled, 40 steel clips, and a paper plate. To set up, place the 40 steel clips on the paper plate. Let's begin by testing the north pole of the bar magnet. Bring the north pole of the bar magnet close to the steel clips.
Some of the steel clips are getting attracted to it.
Yes! How many steel clips did the north pole attract? Pause the video and count them. Do also remember to record your observations in the table.
The North Pole attracted 9 steel clips.
Is this the same for the South Pole?
Let's see. How many steel clips did the South Pole attract? Pause and count.
Whoa! The South Pole attracted 11 steel clips.
How about the middle section? What did you observe? Pause the video and share with your classmates.
The middle section did not attract any steel clips.
So class, which part of the bar magnet has the weakest magnetic force? Is it the South Pole? Is it the North Pole? Is it the middle section of the bar magnet? Pause and discuss with your classmates.
The middle section. This is because it attracted the least number of steel clips.
Yes, that's right. In general, the stronger the magnetic force, the greater the number of steel clips attracted. Since the poles attracted the most number of steel clips, this shows that the magnetic force is the strongest at the poles. Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.